with another video. Today we're gonna be unboxing KiyahTalise, if you didn't know. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, run up my likes. So we're doing an unboxing today, and I was super excited when the mail came because I just knew that this was my glasses, but that'll be in the next video. Keep my lips sealed on what that is, but this is actually an item off Poshmark. Now, I have been looking for this purse everywhere. I went to Vegas last month and I couldn't find it in Vegas, and even like local stores, even online, I couldn't find this particular color. Like, they come in a lot of colors, and I was trying to match some shoes that I have. So I ordered it on Poshmark, you know, one of my favorites. I have no shame. So look, this is what we have here. It says, "Hi, beautiful Kiyah. Thank you for your purchase. I love to give you an extra gift. I hope you enjoy both. God bless you. Stay safe, healthy. From love, Haley." So she sent a mask in these times. Spray it down with some sanitizer. She sent me a mask. Oh, thanks, honey. We love free stuff. And little cute little notes. Normally shippers send you like handwritten notes and stuff. I send those in my items, you know, my packages when I ship to. Cute little free mask. But no, the nitty gritty. The moment I've been waiting for. Because honey. I couldn't find this purse anywhere. And I really wanted this purse. I looked on eBay. I was advised by my mama not to get it because I do Amazon, she do eBay. So I was advised by my mom to not get that particular one on eBay because it, you know, she done triple wrapped it. Oh gosh. The seller was like overseas and they had like bad complaints and stuff. So here we are. Here we have it. I got my purse. I know y'all been seeing these all over, right? The Marc Jacobs snapshot. It's relatively small, but I needed a yellow one that didn't have Marc Jacobs super bold on the strap, and there wasn't the Snoopy edition that had like the black and white strap, because my shoes don't really have any black on them. So yeah, I needed the all yellow bag. So I'm super geeked. I'm super excited. It came relatively fast. Now normally Poshmark stuff, depending on how much it is, they do have like an authenticator. The shipper will ship it to the warehouse first, and then they'll authenticate it, and if it passes inspection, it'll come to you. But this wasn't high enough for authentication process. But I mean, I know the bag is real. Like, I'm not tripping. She got the dust bag and all that other stuff. But I mean, yeah, and I paid under retail for it. So yeah, I'm winning. But yeah, I'm excited. I got my purse. It's cute. Still got the tag on it, so I guess she never gonna wear it. Okay, girl. Yep. I'm geeked, y'all. So got my bag. Like I was saying about the other package, stay tuned. There will be another unboxing very, very soon. I have 2 packages that I'm actually gonna be reviewing for you guys. So yes, I'm satisfied with my purse, and let's see if it matches my shoes. So they are actually not the same color, but I really, really love this bag. Like, just look how it sits on me. I don't know. I'm in like, I could make this work with like probably an all white. So they aren't the exact same color, but however, this is still a go for me because I wasn't able to find anything else that matches. And like with an all white outfit, it'll be perfect. So here you have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.